I think also in the future I will provide ABB with a lot of more tutorial video how to create walls, how to create doors and things like that. And actually we have built up a lot of good function which makes it very easy to attach doors and windows into walls. For example, we have some different kind of tools, and one tool is interact. It's a short command I, and then you can just click on the windows and it goes up and down, and that's applicable for all the doors we have. That is very easy to close them and change them. So, but this will be for later tutorials. Now we will focus on the other important things I would like to present in this video guide. Before I end my video guide, I believe it's interesting to know how to move items or object in the scene. So let's take an example. We have this meeting desk here. It's very easy to just point on the move button here, and then it's just to mark it and then to place it. So if you go in one direction, you can also force it to be like this one, but now we have a smart feature built in. It will automatically pop up to the floor again, because all objects are equal with 0 when it comes to Z axis. And that also makes it very easy, because you cannot attach things wrong in the layout. It will always attach to the floor, and that's a big benefit. So all our models are actually prepared to make it easy for the customer to plan by themselves. Let us take another example, how to rotate an object. We can choose the middle desk again. I will put myself into a position approximately above the desk, and I will choose the object and then go to the move tool. And when you walk over the object with the move tool, you see some few crosses in red, and automatically when you are above a certain cross, there will be an angular symbol as well showing up. And now it's actually very easy to just rotate the object the way you want it to rotate. Let's make another example. Let's say you don't want to have that kind of middle desk or meeting desk. Then it's very easy to just mark the object. Now you can see when the blue lines appear around the object, you can actually delete them. Now we want something else there, so let's go to the Windows menu, and then we choose components. This is the way how you drag and drop new object into the scene. So right now we can just search for CGM meeting desk, and the result down here will show up. And let's browse and see. Yeah, this is the rounded one. You just click on the thumbnail and you can see that there is a download process, and now the download process is done. Then you just follow and you drop it. Now it's been attached right to the floor. So it's also very good to know that the model is automatically glued to the floor. And you can also see that on the component attributes, and I will bring it into the scene, that Z is equal with 0 centimeter. Okay, now we have moved one object from the scene and add another object from the scene. And this is actually something very easy to do for the customer as well. Yes, now we have seen some kind of small things we can do very easy in SketchUp, and the meaning is not that ABB should be specialized moving around items or objects in a SketchUp scene, but I think it's easy to understand how the customer will work when they receive models from us in the future, and I just want to show you some small easy things. Problems with the S, maybe it's too late to make a video tutorial, but I will give it a try. Let's say you have added one meeting desk into the scene and you are not interested to have the CGM brochures in the on top of the desk. It's actually quite easy. You just double click on it, and then you double click again, and then the brochure comes up. Now you can actually show the brochure, you can delete them. So we actually open up an object by double click on them. Now you can see that the actual object is more highlighted compared to the other object in the scene. That means if we press escape, we will go to the normal mode again. So very easy to go into an object by double click and then take away things from it. There we go, the electrical integration brochure. That's not good to take away. We'll leave it there. Yeah. So now we have actually showed the most normal things to move around objects in the scene. And I think it's quite important to tell you that it is important now when we have this tool, and we have a lot of people here at CGM FOC that can provide you with very good proposal in this format, that you also go out to the customer and ask them for a layout in a very early stage. If we can receive the measurement of the control room, how many operators should work there, and we understand a little bit about history in the existing control room, if it's a greenfield project or brownfield project, maybe some picture from the control room, that helps us a lot, because with a little input from you, we can create very interesting discussion proposal which will attract the customer to keep the dialogue with ABB in an early stage. Producing video guide is a very new tool for me, but I think we have come to an end, and I just want to conclude a little bit. We have put a lot of efforts to build up this SketchUp library and competence, and we really look forward to support you with this new tool. I also would like to highlight the email I sent to you. It contains a lot of links. We actually have a photo session with the extended operative workplace, and we have many pictures from the future operations center showing extended operative workplace X3, different HMI, different window view, different people that could fit in different regions as well. There is also a new PowerPoint presentation uploaded on the internet. The same link as we always use to reach the exclusive collection of ABB links. Download the PowerPoint presentation, and also beware of that there are new bill of material list for all the extended operative workplace, both X product and the less expensive extended operative workplace F. It was a lot of information in a short time. Not short time, I see that I've been talking more than 25 minutes, so let's finish. Please explore the scene we have done. It's a very good demo tool to show your customer and leave it at your customer, and they will explore and see all this message we have performed in the scene. So thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to hear from you. Thank you, and bye for now.